Good morning, traders, and this is your S&P day trade setup for today. So today is a data day. We have the jobs number coming out later, so no real trading for me at the moment. And I think what we do want to do is there's a couple of things I want to just highlight here. So the first one is you can see I've drawn a trend line from the swing low across these swing highs and then into where price was yesterday. We had a pretty good day yesterday. At the moment, we are hovering, which is to be expected. And we are hovering above this previous high here. Okay, so that's 3027 is basically where we have broken above and closed above. And that is a significant level for me. If we pop down to the 3 hour here, you'll see that trend line that I drew in now, plus the horizontal trend line. This is an area of interest for me. Now, yesterday we had this big up, big down, big up big confusion pattern that's happening here. I think for me, I'm on the sidelines until we see what happens with the jobs number this afternoon. A little bit more data coming out this afternoon as well, and then we shall see what transpires. However, in saying that, you can see very clearly this area of what was resistance has now turned into support. So I'm kind of expecting the same thing to happen with this 30,000 or 3,027. If we do break back down, there are a few areas of support, and I think the first one is going to be sort of that area there. Okay, so the trend is down. I think get your trend lines drawn in. Listen to me, the trend is up, not down. Get your trend lines drawn in. Wait for the pullbacks onto structure, and you need to be taking your longs off that. If we just look at this on the 15-minute right now, you can see a very clear consolidation pattern at the moment, and this is going to continue all the way through until data comes out, or until somebody thinks they know something about the data and they'll try and move the markets. But until then, I'm staying out of this, not interested in taking any trades. Definitely not interested in being long up here. I want to be long off structure, and the closest structure we have at the moment is 3,027. If that gives way, then I'm definitely looking a little bit further down here at 2980. But if I just look at the hour, yeah, we are also sort of trying to use this area as support, which is 3039. But yeah, take it with a pinch of salt. The only thing that concerns me about all of this is we had a nice structured move up and then a massive sell-off as the tech stocks were selling off yesterday, and then gradually we basically recovered everything again. Okay, so buyers are clearly in control. So you're looking for opportunities to buy. There's no reason to be trying to short this thing at the moment. Any pullback is to be bought, and that's my attitude at the moment. Okay, so I'm on the sidelines until the data comes out this afternoon, and after that we will look for structure. And the areas we're looking for structure, I'm not too particularly worried about this 3039 at the moment. I think this 3027 is definitely an area that I want to pay attention to. If that fails, then this bottom trend line is pretty much what I'd be looking at. Okay, so the other thing is if we just zoom out a little bit here and delete all the noise. If we have a channel here and we just draw it along the bottom like that and do that, you can see how perfect that is. Okay, so we are in a channel. The swing low from yesterday is pretty much where the line in the sand is. Okay, so that's pretty much our line in the sand. So sort of a break below this 2976, let's just make it right at the bottom here. Break below 2970, that may change my mind for some bearish action. No reason to be long here. We're top of channel, so I want to see a pullback at least to the 50%, 61.8 Fibonacci of the channel before looking to get in. And you'll see that that will pretty much equate to something in this area of 3027 to 3020. Okay, so anyway, guys, that's my view on the S&P at the moment. Have tidied up the charts. I see there were a couple of people battling to see the charts, so hopefully that fixes it. Let me know in the comments if it looks a lot better. And yep, I'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.